children, how are you today? Today I will discuss in EVS. So our chapter drop by drop. Okay student, so I will explain its exercise drop by drop. So the activity is given student. First I will explain activity. First, saving water. Okay, so here instructions: drag and drop the correct answers. Student, here India's map. So here two states given arrow. Student, so which state this and which state that? Okay, so first that is the Andhra Pradesh. Okay, now next Karnataka. Okay, this state is the Karnataka and that is the Andhra Pradesh. So observe this student, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Now next, process of bringing water into your home. So first rain, first make cloud, then rain, then water by river. Okay, and under the surface our earth, then by pipe bringing water in our home. So first here mountains, stream. Okay, then second river, stream to make big river. Then third machines. Okay, bring water. Then fourth, then 5 number our home under surface water, then big pipes, different taps, and end of the picture here our home. Student, see process of bringing water into your home. Next question. All living creatures need dash to live. 4 options are given: home, water, fish, tree. So all living creatures need water to live. Next question. A waterborne disease. Waterborne disease. So diarrhea, fever, cold, and typhoid. Diarrhea. Okay. Next, lives in water tanks and can keep it clean. Fish lives in water tanks and can keep it clean. Fish. Next, method by which germs in water can be destroyed dash. Freezing, storing, filtering, boiling. Boiling. Correct answer, boiling. Next, why should we save water? Student, here options are given. First I will read. Because everyone drinks 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Because we need water for the swimming pools. Because our planet has very little drinking water, which is renewed only during the monsoon. Because the water on our planet is dirty. Here, why should we save water? Because our planet has very little drinking water, which is renewed only during the monsoon. Next, how can water be made safe for drinking? By boiling it, by pouring it in a glass and waiting for half an hour for the dirt to settle, by pouring it into a matka, by boiling it and pouring it in a filter. So by boiling it and pouring it in a filter. Two options are correct here. First, by boiling it and pouring it in a filter. Next, how have communities traditionally saved and stored water? So options are given: by boiling it and pouring it into a matka, by making a water tank in which rainwater can be collected, by going to the nearest river to fill water, by paying money for a water tankers. Here, how have communities traditionally saved and stored water? First, by making a water tanks in which rainwater can be collected, and by going to the nearest river to fill water, by boiling and pouring it into matka. Both answers correct. Good job. It's time to move on. Drag and fill. Here, fill in the blanks given, but below blanks options are given. Options: hygiene, water park, shortage, water tankers, Bhimasam, microorganisms, boil. First, dash water is safe for drinking, so boiled water. Boiled water is safe for drinking. Next, waterborne diseases are caused by microorganisms. Correct answer: waterborne diseases are caused by microorganisms. Next, the children's panchayat is called dash. Children's panchayat Bhimasam. Okay. Now next, blanks. A place with water rides and water sports is called a place with water rides and water sports is called a hygiene. So wrong, water park. Okay, a place with water rides and water sports is called a water park. Next, personal dash is important to keep away disease. Personal dash is important to keep away disease. So boil, Bhimasam, microorganism, water park, shortage, water tankers. Wrong answer. Personal hygiene is important to keep away disease. Next, there is dash of water in many areas of our country. Shortage. There is a shortage of water in many areas of our country. Next, in areas where there is water shortage, people get dash. Water tankers. In area where there is water shortage, people get water tankers. Okay, let's move on. Next point, student, match the following. Okay, so first observe options on left side and right side. Here, protozoa, virus, amoeba, fungus, bacteria, cholera, common cold, skin disease, sleeping sickness, and dysentery. Okay, so student, you can write in your notebook first I will explain after I will explain. So student, I will explain fungus, amoeba, virus, bacteria and protozoa. Protozoa, first sleeping sickness. Okay, protozoa, sleeping sickness. Here virus, common cold, bacteria, cholera, amoeba, dysentery and fungus, skin disease. I will submit here. Congratulations, good job. All are correct student. Fungus, skin disease, amoeba, dysentery, virus, common cold, bacteria, cholera and protozoa, sleeping sickness. You can write in your notebook. Let's move on. Next, I will explain true false. People leave their villages and move to other villages when water dries up. True. Okay? Correct answer, true. And number 2. Dams wash away the soil. Dams wash away the soil. False. That stop water from washing away the soil. Next, planting trees and greenery doesn't help in bringing about good rainfall. Planting trees and greenery does not help. So false. Planting and greenery bring about good rainfall. Next, water becomes impure after boiling. Impure after boiling, false. Boiling purifies water. Next, unclean water causes disease, true. Congratulations. Next, good job student. Now, next point I will explain. Short answers. What disease does unclean water cause? Unclean water cause disease like diarrhea, means loose motion, vomiting, stomach pain. Okay? Vomiting and dysentery. Next question. How does water become unfit for us? Sometimes drinking water pipes leak and get mixed up with sewage or drain water. Thus, water becomes unfit for use. Sometimes water pipes leak and get mixed up with sewage, drain water. Okay, soil with some dirt. Okay, so the water becomes unfit for us. Next, how does water in the wells dry up? When there is no rainfall, means scarcity, or very less rainfall, and water is being used regularly, the wells dry up. Again repeat, when there is no rainfall or very less rainfall and water is being used regularly, the wells dry up. Next question. How can impure water be made pure? Impure water can be purified by boiling and filtration. After undergoing these processes, water can be used for drinking and cooking. First, impure water can be purified by boiling and filtration. After, we use for drinking and cooking. How is water used in water parks? In water parks, water is used in water rides and fountains. There are lots of swimming pools where children can swim and enjoy themselves. Okay, here in water parks, water is used in water rides, some water rides and fountains and lots of swimming pools. Here children can swim and enjoy themselves. Okay, good job. Again, you can write in your notebook. First question, write in your notebook. Okay, second question, write in your notebook. Third question, write in your notebook. Next question, again write in your notebook. Next question, write in your notebook. Okay, student. So here drop by drop, very important chapter, and this chapter water related. So importance of water for life. Very important things water on our planet Earth. So student, save water, and when you drink water, first boiling, then purified, you can drink this water. Okay, so sometimes impurified water spread disease. Okay, diarrhea, dysentery, vomiting, etc. So student, drink water, save water. Okay, drink water but purify water by boiling. Okay, and save water, water save us.